Hello, let's imagine that a potential customer uses a search engine to solve their problem. If you're a business that provides a solution, you'd want to get found in the search results, right? A really important aspect of digital marketing is getting your website found in search engines. In the following lessons, you'll learn more about how to make that happen. I'll introduce you to how the Google search engine works and how it determines website rankings. I'll explain to you in the structure of the search engine results pages, also called SERPs. Then I'll introduce you to search engine optimization, also called SEO. Now, this is the practice of getting a website found in a search engine results page. I'll discuss the pre-steps to take before you start to consider SEO. And then for your first steps, which include keyword research and organizing a website structure. Personally, I love working on SEO. The thing is, I can say it has been my greatest marketing tool for my brand. But, I must admit, when I first started, it didn't really make sense to me. People talked about keywords and tagging and being found in search engine pages, results, all that. But when I first started, it honestly sounded like I was speaking or understanding a language that I've never read before. After implementing strategies for several months, something interesting happened for my brand. I actually remember a friend reached out to me saying they read one of my articles and saw an image I posted online for my business. I remember thinking, what are you talking about? And I didn't share anything. And they said they were looking for advice on a topic, and my article and picture came up. Thing is, I can't tell you how excited I was when that happened. Thing is, years later, a simple Google search of my name now brings up dozens of images, content, and videos. My online trust and my credibility saves me so much time now not having to re-pitch myself over and over. For me, SEO is one of the best marketing strategies to expand the exposure of a brand online. Welcome to the world of search engines and search engine optimization. I hope you're excited to get started.